and then final twist of the lady below the partner's hand. Now one more tip for men. After going into the pose, after the dip, I want to be next to the lady, so we are side to side. Thanks to this, I can take a step with the right leg forward and go around each other. Remember not to try dancing so much on those steps. The goal is just to walk around naturally. Same thing for ladies, take small steps and walk forward. When you reach the point when man is facing the audience, he raises his left hand and then leads the spin above the lady's head again. During the twist, you can take a small step toward the lady, so you will have an easier job reaching with the hand. Let's now count this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, a few additional pointers for the ladies during the spins. Remember to keep your spine straight and flex the hand that is used for leading a little bit. If it's too loose, it will be impossible for your partner to lead the turn. So you need to connect your hand with your body. We want a result when the partner pushes the hand, he is moving your entire body, not just the hand.